On the way, he met an old man. The old man wanted to cross the road. The road was busy with vehicles. The mother asked the old man, "May I help you?" And he replied, "Help me to cross the road." Help you?
Help me.
Help me? You are cross the crossroad. Dear, Madhav helped the old man to cross the road
On
on a zebra line. Old man blessed the Madhav.